Hi, you guys. I wanted to share with you this place that we stopped by for lunch in a little town called Toledo. It's right off the 5 freeway. Um, so, show you where Toledo's at. It's right here. It's a little too far, but okay, you can see where Vancouver and Portland's at. So Toledo, as you can see, here's Vancouver, Woodland, Longview, Castle Rock, Toledo. Okay, and it's right off the freeway here. It's not that one, it's this one down here, this next one. It's exit 59. Okay, there it is there, exit 59. Anyway, you got to get off exit 59, and you get off, and you'll see a Shell station here. And right next to it is this little place called Mrs. Beesley's Burgers. It's a little place right here. Now, if you drive by it and see it, or you're already too late. You know, you got to know that it's there. I think there's a little sign on the freeway, but you got to get off of the freeway in order for you to get to it. If you see it as you're driving by, you're going to have to go to the next exit, which is obviously exit 60. You have to come and make a U-turn, and you're going to have to come and get off, and you're going to think that you can't get across the freeway, but what you're going to have to do is come in and do this loop thing. You know, get off and do this loop down here, and it goes under the freeway, and then you got to come back around. I kind of had to figure it out myself. So let's take a look at Mrs. Beesley's Burgers. Mrs. Beesley's was formerly started back in the 60s by George and Eva Hammond. Here's some old pictures of the place when they first opened up. And this is the Beesleys standing in front of their restaurant. And in 1976, the Beesleys bought it, and in time expanded, and this is what it looks like today. So I'm kind of into the family-owned restaurants, small. I enjoy exploring into these because it seems like they put a lot of work and effort into making sure the place is clean, the quality is great, you know, having to compete with a lot of the larger franchises that are out there, you know, the Taco Bells, the McDonald's, the Carl's Jr.'s. So they have to work a little harder. So, and I'm always willing to give my money to the small businessman, since I'm a small businessman myself, struggling businessman, I should say. So we've heard a little bit about this place, so we thought we'd stop by and check it out. One of the first things you notice when you walk in, you have a feeling of the 50s and 60s era, but not only does it have that kind of feeling and look, the prices are also, you know, very, very reasonable. There's no reason why, you know, you shouldn't stop here just because of the price. Not only that, but I'll tell you later that these burgers taste great. The dining room area and seating is very comfortable, very simple, and very clean. You can tell they put a lot of effort into keeping the place clean. And you know, they have their knickknacks on the wall and stuff, but at least you don't feel like some of these places you go to where it feels like you're at a frat house where they have, you know, tons of stuff hung on the wall. It's very clean. The bathrooms are very, very clean also too. Okay, here's Mrs. Beesley's burgers, some fries, and grilled cheese. Okay, I ordered the double burger with no cheese, mayo. When I received it, the fries were hot, the hamburger was hot and juicy, and the bun wasn't super big. I don't like my buns too big. These were just the right size. I'm gonna dress it up a little bit. Here we go. Not bad.
Describe it.
The meat is hot. I like the slice of tomato. They shred their lettuce. It's got sweet pickles. I ordered it with mayo only, otherwise they put relish. The bread's good. It's not like that thick bread. It's got enough bun to it. And the bun is grilled. It's got a crunchiness to it.
Can you please eat a fry? How are the fries?
Well, the fries are, typical crinkle fries.
A lot of people like crinkle fries.
Good. Not too much oil on it.
Nice and warm?
Nice and hot. Good.
Okay. Gonna have another bite of that delicious burger? Why don't you show it to the camera first? Yeah, that looks good. 2 patties. Nice big bite there, I see.
Good.
Okay. I'm glad you like it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Can I put this down now?
Okay, guys, as you can see, I don't have a professional cameraman. But anyway, if you get a chance, exit 59 in Toledo, Mrs. Beesley's, check it out. If you got a big family, this is the place to go because the food is very, very reasonably priced. And just because it's cheap doesn't mean that it's not good. I'm telling you, these burgers are, they're not huge, but they are great burgers. And they're juicy, they're hot, their fries are hot, the burger's hot, the meat tastes like, it's a good quality meat. The vegetables are fresh. You gotta check it out. If not, if you're just driving up the freeway, you're exploring, check it out anyway. It's a great place. Anyway, so I'm going to be stopping off at a lot of these mom and pop restaurants and share my experience with you. Until then, see you at my next video.